This is item B0785, another one of our beautiful metallic gold trims. This is on organza ground, so you can really see the design on it pop out. It's on black organza, so if you have a black dress or something black fabric you want to use, this is super ideal to use. You don't come across many lace trims that have the black organza, so that makes it difficult to use it because it's usually on white organza and that sticks out and looks kind of tacky. So if you have something that you're trying to find that you need for a black garment, this would be totally it. It's about a little more than 2 inches wide, 2¼ and it has that flat top at the top. It's easy for sewing, so straight across, and it has these scallops down here. These kind of scallops make it look really, really nice if you have like some kind of Victorian costume. You want it to go around the sleeves of it, around the wrist, or if you want to do it even bigger. It just looks really nice because it has that detail. Comment in the videos below. Let us know what you guys use this for. Enjoy.